If your home didn't sell, I know how frustrating that feels. You put your life on hold, kept your house show ready for months, and now you're right back where you started, except you've lost valuable time. But here's what I want you to remember. There was a reason you decided to sell in the first place, and it's likely that reason hasn't gone away. Hi, I'm Kimberly Crouch with eXp Realty. After over 25 years in real estate accounting and finance, I can tell you that homes don't sell for one of three reasons, or sometimes a combination of them. First, it's price. The market tells us what a home is worth, not what we hope it's worth, or owe on it, or need to walk away with. If buyers aren't responding, the price isn't aligned with current market conditions. Second, it's presentation. Buyers make decisions based on how a home shows online and in person. If your listing photos don't stop the scroll, if they are dark, crooked, obvious cell phone photos, if you don't have any video, or if the home doesn't feel move-in ready or well-maintained when buyers do go to it, they may move on to the next property. And third, it's marketing. Getting your home in front of the right buyers requires more than just putting it in the MLS. It takes strategic advertising, compelling digital and print content, and reaching buyers wherever they are looking. The good news? All three of these are fixable. And when we get them right, homes sell, usually within 30 days. Let me walk you through exactly what I do differently. On pricing, I'll show you the data that matters most. We'll look at what's actively competing with your home, what's recently sold, and the supply and demand in your area and price range. Then we'll price your home 3 to 5% ahead of where the market's heading, not where it's been. On presentation, I invest in photography, including drone, videography, and Matterport tours for every listing, regardless of price point, and professional staging if needed. Your home will look its absolute best online and in person. If needed, I'll coordinate with vendors to handle any updates or repairs before we go live. On marketing, I go far beyond the MLS. Your home gets promoted through Facebook and Instagram ads, not just organic posting, my YouTube channel, my email database, and my network of agents both locally and across the country. And if your home qualifies as luxury, it will also reach an international audience through our exclusive eXp Luxury advertising programs. I'm reaching buyers who are actively looking in our area and buyers who don't even know they want to move here yet. If you're ready to try again, let's talk. I'd love to show you exactly what a fresh approach can do for your home. I'm Kimberly Crouch with eXp Realty, offering you authentic coastal luxury at every price point.